You know that sinking feeling when you check your credit card statement and the balance barely moves, even though you've been paying for months? Yeah. That's not just numbers on a screen. That's stress, guilt, and how did it get this bad? But here's the thing. Paying off debt isn't just about math. It's about momentum and psychology. Today, I'll show you how two powerful strategies, the snowball and the avalanche, actually work, how real people use them, and how to decide which one fits your personality. The problem with minimum payments. Let's be real. Credit cards are like that friend who's super fun at first, until they make you pay for everything later. The average interest rate? Over 20%. So when you pay just the minimum, most of your money goes straight to interest, not the balance. That's why so many people feel trapped, because technically, they are. The snowball method. Now, let's talk about the debt snowball, popularized by Dave Ramsey, but let's modernize it. Step 1. List all your debts from smallest to largest balance, ignore interest rate. Step 2. Pay minimums on all except the smallest. Throw every extra dollar at that one until it's gone. Step 3. When it's paid off, roll that payment into the next debt, like a snowball growing downhill. Why it works? Because it gives you quick wins. Imagine Sarah. She had 4 credit cards totaling $9,000. She paid off her smallest $500 card in 1 month. That boost of motivation kept her going for 10 more months until she was completely debt-free. The snowball isn't logical, it's emotional. But emotions drive action. Graph showing balances dropping as snowball grows. The avalanche method. Now the debt avalanche is for the analytical types. You list debts by interest rate, highest to lowest, and focus on the one costing you the most in interest first. For example, card. A, $3,000 at a 24%. Card. B, $2,000, 18%. Card. C, $1,000, 10%. You attack card A first. It might take longer to see progress, but you'll pay less overall. This method saves money and time, but it requires discipline and patience. I know someone who used this, Harry, a software engineer. He automated payments and barely checked balances. A year later, he was debt-free and saved over $2,200 in interest. Which method is right for you? So the question is, which one should you use based on your personality? If you're motivated by quick progress, start with the snowball. If you're motivated by efficiency, go with the avalanche. But the real secret? Mix them both. Start with one small win for confidence, then switch to avalanche to crush the expensive debts. The best plan isn't perfect. It's the one you'll actually stick to. Credit card debt feels heavy until you take the first real swing at it. Whether you roll with the snowball or charge with the avalanche, the key is to start today. And if you want to learn how to budget better so you never fall into debt again, check out my budgeting video next. It's your first step to financial freedom. Don't let debt control you. Control the plan.